The wildfires in the Texas Panhandle are responsible for human lives, land, and livestock lost. For a Parker County rancher, what happened in the Panhandle is personal. It's where he grew up, it's where many of his friends live, and that's why he's doing what he can, taking in donations from all over the world to help. Fox 4's Brandon Todd has his story.
He lost over 550 head of cattle. He lost over 65 miles of fence. Out of this.
It's personal for Parker County rancher Ramey Keith. The wildfires in the Texas Panhandle are destroying cattle, ranches, and have killed several people where he grew up.
I've worked on a lot of these ranches and go back out there year after year, help these people brand and gather cattle, and so we know a lot of them. They're like family.
Governor Greg Abbott has declared a disaster in the area, an estimated 750 square miles scorched. Thousands of head of cattle and horses displaced.
We'll put 2 or 3 of the best ones out of this set.
Keith started rounding up donations of hay and fencing last week to help ranchers there and had 2,000 bales donated the first day.
One of these bales would probably feed 10 grown mama cows for about 2 days.
Then the calls started coming in. So on Friday, he set up a GoFundMe page. More than $40,000 raised so far.
We talked to one guy, he is 3rd generation on that ranch. They've been putting those cattle genetics together and building those herds for 3 generations, and is all wiped out in 24 hours time.
Donations and calls have come in from all over Texas.
Also from London, from Alaska, coast to coast here. It's just unbelievable what people have given.
Next up, rebuilding the herds. So far, he says more than 3 dozen head of cattle have been donated to ranchers in the fire's path.
So yeah, it means everything to those people.
Brandon Todd, Fox 4 News.